How to use Covey app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think Covey is just a portfolio tracker, but the surprising truth is beginners often miss its full potential for planning and analysis. Here's how to use Covey properly. Covey lets you track investments, plan budgets, and monitor financial goals. The first mistake is failing to connect all accounts. Partial data leads to inaccurate insights and poor decision-making. The second mistake is ignoring analytics. Covey provides performance metrics, allocation breakdowns, and risk analysis. Not reviewing them means missing opportunities to optimize your portfolio. Another error is neglecting goal setting. Covey can track retirement savings or investment goals, but skipping them reduces motivation and clarity. Beginners may also overlook alerts. Covey can notify you of significant changes or portfolio imbalances. Ignoring these reduces its effectiveness. Finally, some users fail to revisit plans regularly. Financial situations change, and Covey's insights are most useful when updated frequently. Used correctly, Covey is more than a tracker, it's a personal financial assistant. Connect all accounts, review analytics, set goals, use alerts, and update regularly to stay on top of your finances.